Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wallbox for RFID access in user profiles, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting the Wallbox to a power source. Ensure the Wallbox is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi network. Download the Wallbox app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Wallbox app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your Wallbox charging station. Select Configure from the main menu within the app. Choose the option for RFID access to manage RFID settings. Tap on Add New User to create a user profile. Input the user's name and email address. Proceed to assign a unique RFID tag to the new user. Hold the RFID tag near the Wallbox until you hear a confirmation beep. Once confirmed, the new user profile will be saved. You can now adjust permissions for each user, such as charging limits or time restrictions. To edit a user profile, select the user from the list and make the necessary adjustments. If you want to delete a user, select the user profile and choose the delete option. After configuring all users, you can return to the main menu. Test the RFID access by scanning the tag at the Wallbox. Make sure the charging session starts successfully for the authorized user. For any issues, consult the troubleshooting section in the app or the user manual. Once configured, the Wallbox will remember user profiles and their RFID tags. This setup enhances security and ensures that only authorized users have access to the charging station. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.